Yeah, he already got that scratch done.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. As y'all seen by the thumbnail, man, we getting ready to head by the paint shop and see what we can do about my car. For those of y'all that don't know me, I mean, I can paint it myself, but I'm not too good with this fiberglass stuff, so I'm gonna take it over to my partner, man, that taught me how to paint. And then if you go to the 350Z build and holler at my cousin Shane, he also taught me how to paint. But anyways, this is my baby, so I'm gonna let somebody else do it, you know, my teacher, you know. I'm gonna let him check it out and see what we can do. So yeah, let's go see how much it's gonna cost to get this boy tightened up. Hey brother, you wanna get the code start for him? Yeah, let's get that code start for y'all right now. Alright guys, we're getting ready to head to the paint shop, so y'all go on this little ride with us, so we'll be cut. Alright guys, we're gonna head over to the paint shop, so y'all go on this little ride with us right now. Alright guys, we pull up to the paint shop, man. We finna holler at Peppy and see what he gonna hit us for. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, we're here at the paint shop, man. One of my teachers, man, so we're gonna see what he's talking about. Yes sir? I got something for you to look at. YouTube? YouTube.
You got it?
Yeah. You want to look at something for me? And see how much?
You?
Yeah. I messed it up. Pepe. I did.
What happened?
A deep pothole.
Hey! Hey! Oh shit!
Yep. I don't want to buy a new one, so we have to fix the fiberglass and then repaint.
Yeah, fiberglass.
Yeah, it's real. It's real fiberglass.
Did you fix it?
You want me to fix it and then you paint it? I
fix
can.
it?
Yeah, I can do it, but this is my baby, so I want.
You mean exactly.
I want you to fix it. Yeah.
Done.
So hey y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all off real quick, and we'll get right back to y'all. We're gonna talk about some business, and I'll let y'all know. Peace. Yeah, I
The same
understand.
color. This. O sea, two color. El blue y el gray. Pero en el fin es master.
Okay.
Yeah, this is expensive. It's DVC. DVC, no more. DVC. Okay?
Okay.
Porque sea exactly, sea good.
Okay.
El pure cup, no problem.
Okay.
Pero the paint is the same color.
Okay. So when you want me to bring it?
¿Viste?
Wednesday? Okay. I'll bring.
Para el Saturday, maybe yes, please.
Okay. I'll bring it. Okay.
Ah, pero no te he hecho price. Yo más 350 over there.
No. So everything, how much you think?
1,000.
Okay.
1,000.
For your friend.
For friend.
You buddy.
No friend.
Your buddy.
Maybe for 3,000.
Hey, your buddy. How much? Okay. So,
3,000 is cheap.
okay. And you want me to buy the paint, or are you gonna get it?
The paint.
So I buy paint,
Yes.
and then
Pero
1,000.
miles
Okay.
count.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero they went maybe como this half paint. Half. Y they want half.
Okay.
Okay? Pero exactly.
Okay. All right. So.
Half y half.
All right. Let's do it. So I'll bring it Wednesday.
El Wednesday.
I'll take off for work Wednesday. I'll come and we'll get everything we need, and
Okay.
it's yours.
For me es. Tú sabes, yo soy responsable, mucho responsable.
Yeah. I want to get it ready for the show.
Okay,
all the cars, so I want to make sure it's done.
Maybe
You know.
3 days is finished.
Y'all hear that? Couple days. So if you're in the Midland, Texas area, y'all come over here to Pepe. Make sure you show them the address and everything right there. Look.
Tuca de Pepe,
Right there. Yes, sir. Y'all head over here to my guy, man, and he will tighten you up. So we're gonna get this car knocked back out and looking good in a couple days. All right, Pepe. Where's the wife?
vengo de una house, ¿cómo se dice? Trailer house.
Spending money?
You no pay. Yeah.
I don't know.
3 days,
I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I might just leave it. It'll be okay.
This is black or is blue?
It's the metallic,
Sí, pero
like this.
This blue.
Metallic. No, metallic.
Right,
Black.
pero es blue. Blue
Yeah.
metallic.
Right. Same color.
They got it, the ship, the sun. Okay,
Mhm.
no sun, no got it nothing.
Right.
Okay, so it's no same color, it's different.
Okay.
Pero they need the sun. Or me, they got it the paint, no problem. Me got it.
You buy?
Yes, yes. Porque si no,
Sí,
no va a
sí.
salir bien, no va a salir bien.
See, good print. Good print right there.
Sí, fix it. You fix it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. No problem.
Okay.
Ay, hijo de su chingada madre. Oh my God.
Okay. Wednesday?
Listen, thank you. Ya no, ya.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Why you antenna? Cut! I'll keep y'all tuned in, man, and see how the car goes. We're gonna try to get that done, and then once we get the car touched up, I got a big surprise for you guys. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be legendary, man. Y'all gotta be ready for this, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all keep rocking with the Silky Smooth gang, the Coleman crew, man. What's up, guys? So we over here at the paint shop, man. Getting these little spots touched up on my car. Sorry about the wind. The dirt is out here crazy. But yeah, we just gonna check it out, see what they got done already. So this that back part. That's already, yeah, already smooth. And then I had a little spot right here. It's looking better. Yep. Got that done. And then I had a little scratch. A scratch right here. Yeah, he already got that scratch done. So I guess he's gonna let it just heat up out here for a little bit. Yeah, man, she got dusty quick. It's all good though, man. We're gonna be ready for the show, man. Yeah, I think that was it. Oh yeah, this little spot. Yeah, I forgot about this spot. Yeah, so he got that spot done. So yeah, we're gonna be good, y'all. So y'all stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. We out. Peace. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to the show. Today is Thursday. The show is Saturday morning, so I don't know, guys. Let's see if we're gonna have this car ready. Let's pull back here and see what's going on. Good morning, everybody. It's another day. Shoot, man, as y'all seen yesterday, I went by the paint shop trying to see if my vet will be ready for the show. I'm kind of getting worried now because the show is tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm gonna keep y'all in tune, and we'll see if the vet will be ready for the show. We gotta get the old schools cleaned up tonight. I'm up early. I gotta get this money, so y'all just rock with your boy. Peace.